So when I look at this picture, I see that X that they need is way up here. So I'm going to look at the other side of the picture first to try to get to X, but you don't get to X by looking at where X is. Trust me when I tell you that. So if you look at that picture, I see two triangles. I see the one on the left with the 60 and the 75, and I see this little tall one that's sitting in there, okay? So I have to find this angle first. That's the only way into this triangle. And if one is 60 and one is 75, the other one is going to be 45? Is that right?
Yes, that's 45.
Wait, when you subtract 75 minus 60?
No, you'd say 180 minus 60 minus 75 gives you the third angle. Now I'm going to change pen color to green, and I'm going to look at these three angles. They're on a straight line. Pretend I can draw. There's three angles coming out. Those also add up to 180. So now I do 180 minus 50 minus 45, and I should get 85, I believe. Somebody check that for me. So now, if this is 115, I'm going to change the colored pencil again. This is 180 minus 15, which is 160, which is 65.
Yep.
All right. So if we have two angles in a triangle, I can find this guy by doing 180 minus 85 minus 65, which is, and then I see, since that's 30, that this is on an X, and they're vertical angles, so X is 30. See how we got to it, but it took us a while to get there. So the final answer is 30. X equals 30.